Did you know that one of the simplest activities, something most of us already do every day, has the potential to transform your health, boost your mood, and even add years to your life? No fancy equipment, no expensive gym memberships, just you, your feet, and the open road. Curious? Let's dive into the incredible benefits of daily walking and uncover how it can completely reshape your mind and body. Walking, it may seem ordinary, but its impact on your overall well being is nothing short of extraordinary. Whether it's a brisk morning stroll, a peaceful evening walk, or even pacing around your home, this seemingly small habit can lead to profound changes. So, what really happens to your body when you make walking a daily routine? Stick around because some of these benefits might just surprise you. Before we continue, if you find value in learning practical steps to enhance your health, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more life changing insights. And don't forget to share this video with someone who needs that extra nudge to get moving. So, let's start with the engine that keeps you alive, your heart. That's right. Walking regularly strengthens your heart, making it more efficient at pumping blood throughout your body. Now, research shows that brisk walking for just 30 minutes a day can lower your risk of heart disease by up to 35%. It improves circulation, reduces bad cholesterol, and increases good cholesterol. Over time, this reduces strain on your heart and helps maintain healthy blood pressure levels, lowering your risk of getting hypertension and stroke. So, even if you are not breaking any speed records, remember, consistency is the key. Each step you take brings you closer to a healthier heart, and that's what we all want to have. Now, let's talk about your muscles and joints. This is another benefit. Walking is a low impact workout that engages your legs, hips, and core, strengthening these muscle groups over time. So, for anyone dealing with joint stiffness or pain, walking is a game changer. It encourages the production of synovial fluid, which lubricates your joints, reducing stiffness and even alleviating arthritis symptoms. So, for those of you who suffer from arthritis, this is a good exercise to do. Unlike high impact exercises that can stress your joints, walking is gentle yet incredibly effective, making it suitable for people of all ages. Daily walking also works wonders for your metabolism. That's another benefit. It helps regulate blood sugar levels, making it especially beneficial for those managing diabetes or pre-diabetes. A post-meal walk, it can prevent blood sugar spikes, while regular walks help you burn calories and maintain a healthy weight. And here's the bonus. Walking reduces cortisol, the stress hormone linked to belly fat, making it easier to manage stress and maintain a slimmer waistline. But the benefits don't stop at your physical health. Walking is a powerful mental health booster. Have you ever felt lighter and more positive after a walk? That's thanks to the endorphins walking releases, your body's natural mood elevators. Studies show that regular walking, it can reduce anxiety and depression, sometimes as effectively as medication for mild cases. So, when you walk outdoors, especially in nature, the effects are even more profound. The rhythmic movement clears your mind, lowers stress, and gives you a chance to reset mentally. That's another good benefit for your mental health. Now, walking is also another benefit for the brain. It is a brain booster and it increases the size of the hippocampus, the part of your brain responsible for memory and learning, helping starve off cognitive decline and conditions like Alzheimer's. It also boosts creativity and problem solving skills, making it the perfect activity for clearing your head or tackling big ideas. So, are you struggling with sleep? Walking can help you regulate your circadian rhythm, making it easier to fall asleep and waking up feeling refreshed. The stress relieving effects of walking also promote deeper, more restful sleep. So, we see another benefit cognitive function and sleep. Perhaps the most incredible benefit of walking is its impact on your longevity. Studies show that walking just 7,000 steps a day can reduce your risk of premature death by 50%. It strengthens your bones, improves your immune system, and keeps inflammation at bay. So, whether you're walking solo for some quiet reflection or with friends to strengthen connections, every step enriches your life. So, that's another great benefit. Longevity and your overall health will improve. So, in just days, walking can improve your mood and energy levels. Over weeks, you'll notice increased strength, stamina, and perhaps even a leaner physique. And over the years, a healthier, happier, and longer life awaits you. So, what are you waiting for? Lace up your shoes and step into a healthier future. And remember, every step you take is an investment in your well being. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a like. It helps out the channel a lot. Yes, it helps the algorithm so that YouTube can recommend this video to others so that they can get this very important information. So please, it won't cost you. Just give it a like. And thank you so much. And don't forget to subscribe and share it with a friend or a family member. Let's inspire more people to embrace the life changing power of walking. See you on the next one. Take good care.